Hi! Today I'm going to do mukbang. Please enjoy.
I'm going to be eating some burrito tacos.
Anyways, while I wasn't recording and getting ready, some guy tried to take my food, and once I accidentally stand up, he's trying to get my seat.
Bro, that Big Mac is back.
Now that's a fatty left. Let's get really into the video. Mac and cheese. That guy tried to act like we were friends. Mind you, I don't even have him in my friend list. Anyways, I'm gonna be trying to do a reference. I really hope you guys know it.
You guys don't know that you're not a real one.
Anyways, if you guys want to play with me or do a collab, friend this girl.
I'm going to be silent for the rest of the time because this is a long video.
This is for you.
I can't show you guys my front page screen.